My country pipu, na welcome back to my channel today. Doyin David don come out come reveal say the bad things wey be say Nigerians talk about her don turn out to bring blessing to her life. And also Adekunle don venture into acting. So few hours ago, Doyin just come for her Instagram story, come post this particular video wey be say she dey make up for inside Big Brother house. So she come write say, one thing about God, he will always put my enemies to shame. Now remember say this particular video na video of Doyin wey be say she dey make up for inside the house. Every day Doyin dey make up. Doyin does not do without makeup while inside the Big Brother house. So people come dey come out, dey call her out, say why is it that this girl is always making up? Wetin dey sup with her face? So Doyin now, she come put out this particular post, come go screenshot all the hate comments wey be say people talk, just to take give us the big announcement about the good thing wey be say the hate comments don bring for her. So these are some of the hate comments wey be say Doyin dey refer to. So the first person here say, laughable for Doyin that does absolutely nothing for herself except make up her face, and definitely nothing for others except use her long mouth to give dirty unsolicited takes in the house. Another one say, Doyin doing makeup morning, afternoon, evening and night. Next one say, why does Doyin make up every time? Is she a makeup artist practicing on her face? So and she can't just screenshot all this thing finish, can't talk her finish. She can't show us the endorsement deal wey be say she get na cosmetics makeup company na don finally sign her. So she just use this one as PRO to take tell us say, see o, with all una hate comment, God don finally use the makeup thing wey be say una dey use mock me take bless me. Well, big congratulations to her. E not easy for the thing wey so people dey talk down on you about, the thing can bring blessing to you. So I'm very, very happy for her. This particular company wey be say sign Doyin, so not be small thing o. They go gain a lot because she go really use their makeup well, she go use the cosmetics well for her skin. Onto Adekunle matter, Adekunle don start to the art movie, and the fans wey they call Islanders, they don't come out to come celebrate their oga. He come out, come drop this write up for his IG story. Say Islanders we what? We always hype their boy. That's why they are the best. So this na the movie, and this na some of the comments where we say the fans drop for after they see that movie. So the title of the movie now, When Are We Getting Married? Now the season 2 9 in art form. If you're interested in watching the movie, just go for YouTube, search button for there, go type on When Are We Getting Married season 2. Now for there you go see the movie to watch. Make I show now how the fans they congratulate this big win. So the first one say, why am I so emotional right now? I have been here smiling sheepishly. Someone pinch me back into reality. Polish. This one comes because say this is so beautiful to watch. Dex the actor. Another one can say congratulations. So congratulations to Adekunle too. It's not easy to become Nollywood actor. Me in particular, I dey root for Adekunle for this movie something because he's really good at it. So I hope saying go excel. Una take care, una bye.